You're awesome!
Is that what you wanted, Bubba?
Yes! I was hoping it was the cave troll too, but still awesome.
Oh no.
The back is better than anything I expected. And then we need to take this down to the ground part.
Look at that huge Lego set.
I don't know how you guys could buy it.
We had to save for a long time.
Yeah. I wonder what this one is.
Bubba, is it your birthday party today?
Yahoo!
What's that?
Lord of the Rings action figure?
Hobbit. I should be.
Who is it?
Gandalf. Awesome. Just like my Blackbeard guy I got.